Okay guys, so here we go, the back of my mobile detailing. So this piece right here goes over here, goes right here. This thing right here, hold on guys, see guys, right there, the pressure washer is under here, see it? So over here in this corner right here, this gonna go there, and right here, the vacuum goes there, and this pressure washer I'm planning to put over here. If I'm gonna do tractor trailer, I need more power, so I might put that one back here, and this is gonna be the generator, right? So here you go guys, this is the back, right? This is the back part. As you can see, it's not too bad, it's good, right? Yeah. And also my remote controller, everything works fine. This one lift up, this one up, that come out, draws, everything. So you see guys, nice. Very nice.